Now let's end with the last two pieces of information Miss Violet remembers about the call numbers. I remember one book where the sum of the digits of the call number was 3 more than the cube of the school period. All right, so that means that we need to look at the cube of the school period and add 3. So if we go to the first row, period 1, 1 cubed is 1 plus 3 is 4. So none of the call numbers add up to 4. Then we go to period 2. 2 cubed is 8 plus 3 is 11. And we can see that fossils 560 does add up to 11. So what that tells us is that during period 2, fossils was picked. So that's an interesting piece of information. So in period 2, we know it's fossils. So we're going to put an O there because that's a specific piece of information that we know. And then we'll put X's in the rest of that column and in the rest of that row. And then she also says, and someone whose backpack was neither orange nor tie-dyed checked out a book where the sum of the digits of its call number was 1 less than the square of the period. Okay, so again, start with period 1. 1 squared minus 1 is 0. Nothing adds up to 0. 2 squared minus 1 is 3. Nothing adds up to 3. 3 squared minus 1 is 8. So French, which is 4, 4, and 0, add up to 8. So we know that period 3 was French. So that's another thing we know. We'll put an O there, and then we put X's in the rest of that column and X's in the rest of that row. And now, since we finally have some O's to look at, we're going to just do a little housekeeping.